AI is moving fast, and this is not about fear. It's about preparing our children before the future outruns them. To prepare for the future, learning AI in the next 2 years is vital. It is the language our children must speak.
We're here today because we know a secret. The next world-changing breakthrough isn't going to come from a boardroom. It's going to come from someone just like you.
Our grandkids will inherit a world full of machines that think, answer, and create. Let's make sure they inherit wisdom too. And we don't teach AI because it's popular. We teach it because we know our children deserve to be prepared. Welcome to the future. The future. Your ideas lead the way.
Your someday is today.
Let's build.
Hello, world. I may be small, but my questions are big. Welcome to the Future Voices Project.
AI is not just technology. It's confidence, opportunity, and a bridge to tomorrow. AI is not the enemy of childhood. Fear is. Confusion is. Being left behind is. That's why we start with the basics.
This isn't just a podcast. It's a tiny spark, a big dream, and a message for every curious heart. What if learning AI today could change your whole tomorrow? A baby, a microphone, and a message the world needs to hear. The future is knocking softly, not with fear, but with opportunity. And sometimes, it takes a little voice to remind us to open the door. Grandpa said the future belongs to learners, and the baby had something to say. Before you fear AI, let a little voice explain why you should learn it.